Good day everyone, once again this is June Carly, your property consultant. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable single detached property here in Trece Martires, Cavite, please continue to watch this video. And we are here right now in our model unit na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 carports with living and dining area. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang subdivision sa Trece Martires, Cavite, and this is your community, guys, no. So this is elevated, no, so hindi tayo babahain, and of course complete po yung amenities niya. And this house is applicable for bank, pag-ibig, and in-house financing. Let's check our model unit. Let's go. So since this is a single detached, guys, you still have an extra space sa may gilid, no, so you have an extra space there and also in the other side of the property. Ayan. Okay, so let's check